Hey everyone, it's Sky here from Pleasureway. Today I have some really exciting news. We're launching our brand new model. Built on the Ford Transit chassis and designed around storage and comfort, Pleasureway is thrilled to announce our 2027 Ontour 2.2 RB. Let's go take a look. This coach is very similar to the Plateau RB, except it's on the Ford Transit chassis. So as you see here, you're still getting your raised rear bed. Right now, it's made up to sleep two singles. However, with the placement of a wedge cushion, you're able to transform it into a full queen-size bed. One of the most unique features about this coach is the raised bed. It can entirely flip over, giving you a massive garage space to carry all of the bulkier and heavier items like bikes, fishing equipment, or camping gear. We also recently added a latch system that allows you to flip the bed up and keep it that way in transit, so you're still able to store things back here and not have to worry. This truly is an impressive amount of storage for a coach that's only 22 feet. As we move inside the Ontour, there's a couple things you're going to notice at first glance. We have one of our 10-inch touchscreens here, and you have one of your Lagoon table mounts located just in the cab. This is a great placement because it allows you to use your cab as a dinette as well. You can also use your Lagoon table mount as a counter extension for meal prep, cooking, whatever you need, it's there for you. Moving into the Galley, we have our beautiful Korean counters, our deep farmhouse style sink, along with our matte black Moen faucet with the pull-out sprayer. To the right of this, you have your true induction cooktop, and above your Galley, you have one cabinet with storage. Below, you have a bank of 3 soft closed drawers with storage and one cabinet beside. Now, just behind me, we have our full wet bath. This wet bath is complete with hooks, 2 mirrors, a towel rack, your Thetford flush toilet, along with your Moen shower head as well. And now we're going to move into the rear of the coach. Before we enter the rear, there's a couple more things I want to point out. Here, behind your Galley, you have your Norcold refrigerator, along with your microwave on top. Now, just behind, you have your second 10-inch touchscreen, along with a cabinet for storage just above your dinette. Now, the dinette itself is made up with seating for 2, along with your second Lagoon table mount, making this the perfect place for your dinners, morning coffee, reading, or just hanging out. There's a lot of flexibility in this coach. Now, the rear of the coach is complete with 2 LED lit steps, along with storage on both sides. Now, this cabinet is extremely deep. You can fit a lot of items in here. And it comes on both sides, so for you and a partner. You also have your inverter access point just right here. Now, you may be wondering why we don't have overhead cabinetry. The main reason is when you have a raised bed, we don't want to obstruct your sight lines or have you worry about bumping your head in the middle of the night when you get up. Instead, as an alternative, we use these super durable and lightweight cargo nets that allow you to store just the same amount of stuff without the hassle or the worry. With its flexible layout, smart storage, and a comfortable raised bed design, this coach is built to make every adventure feel easier and more enjoyable. We're thrilled to add the 2027 Ontour 2.2 RB to our current model lineup, and we can't wait for you to try it. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.